Hey everyone, it's Callum Videos 98 here with a review of the microwave turkey dinner. Okay, here I have my microwave turkey dinner as somebody who is eating, who is a civilized person eating in bed. I've got a fork and a plate to ensure the food does not get all over my bed. Now, in this, we have mashed potatoes with some kind of spice or something that's red on them. And here we have turkey stuffing and turkey and some spices and stuff. Now we'll go in for the first. So that was a bite. That was a good bite. Very nice. Better than I thought it would be. The meat was very nice. Now we'll try some turkey with some stuffing. Oh, by the way, there's a lot of gravy too, of course. Altogether, it went well. The gravy and yep. Now I'm going to try some of our mashed potatoes, and then later I'll try it with the turkey. So here we go. Well, those were good as far as mashed potatoes go. I don't usually like, or not too crazy about mashed potatoes because the taste is kind of bland because they're potatoes. This one had a lot of butter, but mashed potatoes are they're good. These are good mashed potatoes. Now we'll try the mashed potatoes with turkey for the authentic taste. Tasty. Now I'll just finish this.
오빤 강남스타일 강남스타일 낮에는 따사로운 인간적인 여자 커피 한 잔에 여유를 아는 품격 있는 여자 밤이 오면 심장이 뜨거워지는 여자 그런 반전 있는 여자 너는 선호해 낮에는 너만큼 따사로운 그런 선호해 커피 식기도 전에 원샷 때리는 선호해 밤이 오면 심장이 터져버리는 선호해 그런 선호해 아름다워 사랑스러워.
I'm finished. What a satisfying meal. It was small, but it was pretty cheap at the grocery store. It was $3, I believe. So it's worth the value, and I've been left satisfied. If you want to get it, I don't know what the brand is, so okay. I hope you enjoyed, and see you later. Yeah.